In this sheet metal SolidWorks tutorial, we will learn how to model this part, and this is the flattened version of this part. So let's begin. Click on part and click OK, and here select plain white as background, and here select center rectangle, and here click on top plane and make a center rectangle at this origin like this. Now select smart dimensioning tool and specify the length of this line as 100 and the other line as 100 as well. Now the sketch is fully defined. Right click here, and in this tab make sure that you have enabled sheet metal, because we need sheet metal to model this part, and select this tool base flange, and here we need to specify the thickness of this sheet. So I am specifying as 1.5 millimeter, and after that check this box from here, and here you can specify any appearance you like. This is by the way optional. Now select this edge flange, select this edge and click here, and we need to select 3 edges, and after that we need to specify the length. So I am specifying as 100 millimeter, and as you can see the length has been specified, and in position we need to specify the very first one. And now let's adjust the gap. I'm adjusting the gap between these walls as 1 millimeter, and after that check this box. And now select this side face and click on sketch. Select line tool from here and make a line. This is an inclined line. And now let's specify the dimensions. From this point to this line the distance is 25, and similarly here as well, from this corner to this point the distance is 25. And now we need to cut it, and for that we need to go to sheet metal tab, and here we have extruded cut option. Here we need to specify through all, and in this contour we need to select this one, and then check this box from here. This side and the other side will cut like this, and that's what we want. Now we need to sketch on this back side, so select this back side and click on sketch, and here select the center line from this corner to the other corner. Make a center line like this. Now select circle, and here make 2 circles at this midpoint of the line. This is the first circle and this is the second circle. Now let's specify the diameters as 80 and 40. The bigger circle will have 80 mm dia, and smaller circle will have the 40. Now press escape button, select the bigger circle and make it as construction geometry. Now select a circle, and at this point we need to make a sketch, and that is basically the purpose of bigger circle, to get that point for the smaller circle. And select your circular pattern because we want 4 circles, and in this window we need to select this bigger circle, and entities to pattern we need to select the smaller one. This is wrong, let me correct it. Here click on delete and select this midpoint. 4 mm is fine, and here make sure that you have checked this equal distances and check this box from here. Now let's cut it. So for that select extruded cut, and here let's specify simply through all and check this box from here. And now we need to make the same sketch on this bottom surface, similar to the back side as we have made right now. So select this face and click on sketch, and on this very similar fashion we are going to make some cuts here. This time we are going to make at this origin 2 circles, and the diameter would be same 40 and 80. The bigger circle will have 80 mm dia, and the smaller circle will have 40 mm dia. After specifying the diameter, press escape button and select this bigger circle, make it as construction geometry. And now select a smaller circle, select the circle and create here a smaller circle. specify the diameter as 8. And now since I need 4 of the smaller circle, and I will use circular pattern for this purpose. Here it is, and simply check this box from here. Now I want to cut it, so selected extruded cut. Through all has been selected and check this box from here. And now we need to create some sketch on the side walls. For that, select the side wall and click on sketch. I want to make here 3 circles. This is the first one, second one, and third one would be somewhat bigger. Now let's define these circles. The diameter is 8 and similar for this one 8. And now from this line to center point of the circle, the distance is 25. And similarly from center point to this bottom line, 25 mm is the distance. And similar will be for this upper circle. Simply specify the distance from the side walls as 25. This is 25, and from this vertical edge, this is 25 as well. Now let's specify this finer circle. The diameter is somewhat larger. This is 30 mm, and from center to each edge, the distance is 40. And from here to the center point, 40 mm the distance you need to specify. Sketch is fully defined. Now we need to cut it. So here I am selecting the extruded cut, and when we select here through all, it will automatically cut the same circle on the other side as well. Here you can see. And now we are only left with this corner relief. So select this one, and here we need to select our body, this body, and here select this option. Automatically it will give us this option for the corner relief. We need to specify the parameters. Here I'm specifying 6 mm the size, and check this box from here and click OK. And here you can see the corner relief has been specified with the parameter 6 mm. So that's how we create this part, and let me show you its flattened version. And this right here is the flattened plate. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.